What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic together with the Samsung S23 Ultra, and I will want to underline in this video some features that are available only for Samsung, and also only when you use Samsung phone together with Samsung Watch, and also just to say how it works together, those two devices when you have Samsung phone and Samsung Watch. Alright, let's go one by one. So basically I will just briefly show you some menu and how it looks like the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So they were released around half a year ago, and actually I use it for maybe several months and it works pretty well. You have all the features of the regular watches. You have Android VR here, so you can install your apps. You have a Play Store. You have all the camera control here, like messages, Spotify, WhatsApp, and all the others. So you can easily install on your watches or just receive notification from your phone. What I already see here, actually, main key features Samsung decided to hide in case you use iOS phone or any other Android smartphone. And let's just try to cover those features. So let's go one by one. Samsung Health here, and Samsung Health doesn't work at all with non-Samsung phones. Of course, you can download some cracked version of this app, but if in case you want to keep your phone safe and just to want to have unified ecosystem, so Samsung phone plus Samsung Watch is the best one. Okay, basically let's try the pressure. Of course, you need to calibrate it before. You don't need to eat pills. They have some suggestions how to use it. Get started. So firstly, you put your watch away from wrist bone. Also relax your hand and arm. All right. Okay. The wrist orientation set to left, where your watch snugly away from the wrist bone, and also relax. Okay, next. Fit the blood pressure monitor cuff on the arm opposite of your watch. Okay, I will skip it. I don't have it. Start. You can do it in any drugstore where they have this blood pressure device. Your watch will start measuring automatically in some time. So let's see whether it works. Of course, in another video I would like to compare all this feature with professional devices, but for now, just to show that it's working, and it's working only with Samsung phone, or you need some cracked version, as I mentioned again, but I don't think you want it. So in this video only experience with Samsung phone. Okay, so basically we have this tracking. I think it's calibration actually. Showing the blood pressure monitor started. So let's wait how long time it will get to finish the sync up. And in general, it's going quite fast. Don't move or walk, so I should be calm here. It's actually what I'm doing, and done. Okay, enter. Yes, enter now. Okay, I don't know, let's enter 90 on 60. Okay, you need to do it 3 times. Okay, I will just keep it for you, but I will do it by myself 3 times and come back to you. Alright, actually I've done the third test, so now you can just measure it anytime. Wear your watch. Okay, so now you will have some measurement here. Of course, as I did this not correct, actually you should really measure it, go to some drugstore, or in case you have it at your home, blood pressure device, better to do it, compare and fix it. Then you will have more precise results. Now it's just 90-60. Good, as it's not correctly calibrated, and I've got my pulse here as well. Also ECG here. Let's try this feature as well. Blood pressure. Okay, ECG, blood pressure. Let's relaunch the app. ECG, how to launch it. I have no idea. Just press on it. Let's see here. Maybe we can find it. Blood pressure. Alright, I've added ECG option, so let's click record here. Okay, okay. Rest finger slightly on your home button, and you need to wait for 30 seconds to get your ECG, so you will see how your heart goes on, and this takes 30 seconds, and you need to hold, not press, but just hold your finger on the home button. That's actually what I'm doing now, and let's see whether it's working. So if you're interested to compare it with professional devices, just leave it in the comments below, and then I will do it later in a new video. ECG doesn't show signs of atrial fibrillation. Okay, feeling unwell, symptoms, ECG done. All right, so actually you can watch it in the app. That's how it looks like. Wow, looks amazing. Looks like a professional medical device did it. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Sinus rhythms here. So again, you can save it as PDF, send it to your doctor, which is quite nice features to have. Okay, let's move on with some unique features of Samsung. Of course, what I'm here doing is all features available for any device, like weather, music control, stress level. Also, you can measure like body fat. Also quite interesting to check it out. So you place 2 fingers here. I place it, then you wait, and you will see the amount of fat, muscles, water inside your body. Also quite nice to know this information. Okay. One more time. Should be fixed. I don't know how it's measured actually. And also, again, if you're interested, I will compare it with some professional devices. Now should work. Stay still. Keep touching buttons. Yeah, it's done finally. So you see the muscles, weight, fat mass, body water, body fat, percentage, index, and calories you need to eat. So it's also quite nice. You have all the statistics inside your app. So you have 2 apps. One app is Samsung Health Monitor, and another one is Health. And Samsung Health Monitor is ECG and blood pressure. In the Health, it's all your workouts, steps, sleep, etc. So actually, you can also record sleep. Even I'm not using the watches during the sleep, but somehow phone tracks, my watches are on charge, so phone tracks my sleep time, and I can record it here by clicking this button. Also quite convenient. So stress level, cycle tracking, water, blood oxygen, ECG, everything can be here. So many exercises also can be added from the list. Look at this list, it's insane amount of different exercises and workouts can be added. And it works perfectly with Samsung. All notification, phones, phone calls, many settings are all available. And you have the third app, of course, as a Samsung wearable app, where you see the charging time. You can change the watch faces. You can see the apps that you have. Tiles also can be adjusted, as you see all the options available here for your tiles, and quick panels can be changed as well, but those all functions working on any device, so it doesn't matter if you have a Samsung or another Android device. Also here are many settings available as well, also similar to all the devices. Google Pay available, Samsung Pay available, health apps, some display settings, some notification modes can be synchronized, but modes of course available only on Samsung. Advanced features, so you can just set up more. Bixby of course only with Samsung. Battery and device care, apps also convenient to manage here. Content, you can sense your gallery, images, music, also available on all the devices. Those I will not even touch. But from Unique itself, let's open the app. As I see messages added here. Samsung Messages, make it default messaging app. Okay, Samsung Messages, no need. Then you of course have the temperature sensor here, but you cannot measure the temperature of your body, so you can only use it to measure some other objects temperatures. That's why I downloaded this app. From also Unique, works only with Samsung's camera, very simple feature, but works only with Samsung phones. As you see, I launch it, so I see from the camera. When I change, you can see it. Actually, I can see almost full view of my camera and make photo, videos, also quite convenient. but with stylus you can do very similar things on a Samsung. I mean, using this one, you touch and make a photo as well. Basically, from main advantages of using Samsung and the Galaxy Watch together, I already let you know. And in case you still have some questions, leave it in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.